Imagine an island where adventure meets serenity, where you can hike along ancient trails through misty forests in the morning, swim in crystal-clear natural pools by noon, and enjoy world-class wine as the sun sets over the Atlantic. Welcome to Madeira, also known as the Hawaii of Europe, a destination that offers an unforgettable blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and endless opportunities for exploration. In today's episode on Travelling Heavens, we're taking you on an epic journey to discover why Madeira is quickly becoming a must-visit hotspot for travellers worldwide. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a foodie, a culture enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to relax in paradise, Madeira has something for everyone. Stick around as we explore the best this island has to offer, from breathtaking hikes to hidden local gems, the best accommodations, delicious local dishes, and everything in between. Let's get started. Known as the Hawaii of Europe, Madeira is a stunning archipelago that shares many of Hawaii's most beloved qualities: dramatic volcanic terrain, a subtropical climate, and a plethora of outdoor adventures. The island's rich volcanic soil nourishes a unique ecosystem, creating a paradise of green mountains, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant flora that remains lush and inviting year-round. But what makes Madeira truly special is its unique fusion of breathtaking landscapes and a culture that is distinctly its own. Madeira is a paradise for adventurers and leisure seekers alike. Start your day with an early morning hike up Pico do Arieiro, the third highest peak on the island, where you'll find yourself walking above a sea of clouds. The island's famous levadas, or irrigation channels, offer over 2,000 kilometres of trails, leading you through lush forests, across narrow paths etched into mountainsides, and past cascading waterfalls. These hikes range from easy walks to challenging treks, making them perfect for any skill level. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, Madeira won't disappoint. Try paragliding for a bird's-eye view of the island's stunning coastline, or head to the ocean for some water sports. Kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and windsurfing are all popular here. But Madeira's crystal-clear waters are especially famous for diving. With its volcanic underwater caves, fascinating shipwrecks, and abundant marine life, Madeira is a diver's paradise. For a more laid-back experience, take a tour of Madeira's many vineyards. The island is famous for its wine, particularly the world-renowned Madeira wine, a fortified wine that's been celebrated for over 500 years. You can visit local wineries, meet the winemakers, and sample different varieties from sweet Malvasia to dry Cercial. Don't miss a visit to the vibrant Mercado dos Lavradores in Funchal, where you can taste exotic fruits, buy fresh flowers, and pick up local handicrafts. Madeira is also rich in culture and tradition. Time your visit to coincide with one of the island's many festivals, like the Flower Festival, the Wine Festival, or the Carnival, a riot of colour, music, and dance that brings the streets of Funchal alive. These events offer a fantastic opportunity to experience Madeira's unique culture and meet its friendly locals. Madeira is an island of diverse landscapes and attractions, each offering something unique. Begin your journey in Funchal, the island's bustling capital. Here you can explore the city's rich history through its beautiful architecture. Visit the 15th century Sé Cathedral, stroll through the picturesque Zona Velha, and enjoy a ride on the Funchal cable car up to Monte for panoramic views of the city. Just a short drive from Funchal, you'll find Cabo Girao, the highest sea cliff in Europe. Standing 580 metres above sea level, the glass skywalk offers breathtaking views over the coast and the ocean. Not for the faint of heart, but absolutely unforgettable. Next, head to Santana to see the island's traditional thatched A-frame houses, a charming glimpse into Madeira's past. Continue to Porto Moniz, famous for its natural volcanic rock pools where you can swim in crystal-clear seawater. And don't miss the Loras Silver Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping into a fairy tale dance with ancient laurel trees, moss-covered rocks, and streams that flow through the mist-covered woods. For those who crave raw, untamed nature, head east to the Ponta de São Lourenço Peninsula. This area offers stunning views of Madeira's unique geological formations, a striking contrast to the lush interior of the island. It's the perfect spot for a hike, with panoramic views over the Atlantic Ocean and opportunities to spot rare bird species. Madeira offers a range of accommodations that cater to all types of travellers. If you're looking for luxury, the Belmond Reed's Palace is the epitome of elegance and history. Overlooking Funchal Bay, this iconic hotel offers luxurious rooms, lush gardens, and top-notch service. Another excellent choice is the Savoy Palace, a modern 5-star resort with multiple pools, a spa, and an infinity pool that seems to blend seamlessly with the ocean. For those who crave a truly exclusive experience, consider staying at Les Suites at the Cliff Bay. This 5-star hotel offers a boutique experience within the larger Cliff Bay complex. Enjoy stunning views from your spacious suite, relax in your private pool, and indulge in Michelin-starred dining at Il Gallo d'Oro. It's perfect for those who want a blend of privacy, luxury, and world-class amenities. For mid-range options, Hotel Porto Mare offers a perfect balance of comfort and affordability, with multiple pools, lush gardens, and a variety of restaurants. Looking for something with a bit of history and charm? Quinta da Penha de Franca is an excellent mid-range choice. This family-run hotel is set in a beautiful old manor house with lush gardens and 2 swimming pools, 1 freshwater, 1 seawater. Located just a short walk from Funchal's centre, it's an ideal base for exploring the city while enjoying a tranquil retreat. On a budget? No problem. Madeira has plenty of affordable options. The Santa Maria Hostel in Funchal offers great value, with comfortable dormitories, private rooms, and a vibrant social atmosphere. Travelling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on a great location. Hotel do Centro offers comfortable and affordable rooms right in the heart of Funchal. With easy access to public transport, local attractions, and plenty of dining options, it's a great choice for travellers looking to experience Madeira without breaking the bank. Madeira's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. From the famous bolo do caco, a delicious garlic bread baked on a hot stone, to fresh seafood dishes like grilled octopus and espada con banana, the island's cuisine offers something for every palate. Don't forget to try local specialties like sopa de tomate e cebola, tomato and onion soup with a poached egg, and polvo a lagarero, octopus with olive oil and garlic. Finish your meal with a slice of honey cake, a sweet treat that's been a Madeiran staple for over 500 years. And for a truly authentic experience, end your day with a glass of poncha, Madeira's signature drink made from sugarcane rum, honey, and lemon juice. Enjoy it in the bustling bars of Funchal's Old Town, a perfect way to toast to your Madeiran adventure. To explore Madeira like a local, consider renting a car. It gives you the flexibility to reach even the most remote parts of the island at your own pace. If driving isn't your style, the local bus network is efficient, especially around Funchal, and covers most major sites. For shorter distances, taxis and ride-sharing apps like Bolt and Uber are readily available, and renting a scooter can be a fun, economical way to navigate the island's winding roads. Here are round-trip flight prices to Madeira from various continents, which will give you an idea of what to expect when planning your trip. Flights from North America to Funchal, Madeira, are typically around $550 to $700, depending on the city and the time of year. Flights from major South American cities, such as Sao Paulo or Buenos Aires, are usually priced between $1,000 to $1,400. It's often cheaper to fly to Lisbon first and then connect to Madeira. From Europe, direct flights to Funchal start at around $100, but can go up to $400 depending on the country and season. Cheaper deals are often available if booked well in advance. Flights from major Asian hubs such as Tokyo, Singapore or Delhi are generally in the range of $1,200 to $1,800. These flights typically require at least one stopover, often in a European city like Lisbon or London. From northern African countries like Morocco, direct flights are relatively cheaper, starting at around $250. However, from sub-Saharan countries, flights usually cost between $900 to $1,300. Here are some tips for finding the best flight deals. Firstly, book in advance. It's usually cheapest to book flights about 2 months ahead of your planned departure. This is especially true for flights originating from North America and Europe. Flexible dates. Flights tend to be cheaper on weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Use price alerts. Tools like those on Momondo or Skyscanner can help you track flight prices and alert you when the prices drop. By considering these options, you can find the best round-trip flight deals to Madeira, no matter where you're starting your journey from. We hope this guide has inspired you to discover Madeira, the Hawaii of Europe, and experience its unique charm for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Traveling Heavens for more travel guides and tips on the world's most incredible destinations. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.